a mouse, cause I'm an albatross.
Hello students, welcome to my next video. So for today's sum, we have to make a realization account, partners capital account. There are two partners, Ganesh and Karthik. Realization account, you will make particulars, amount, particulars, amount and amount. And for partners capital account, particulars Ganesh Karthik, particulars Ganesh Karthik. So realization account will be made little bigger one, and partners capital account you can make it for 5 to 8 lines. And in the next page you will make cash account for 5 to 7 lines. You will make a cash account. I think in this problem there is no there is no partners loan as such. So as there is no partners loan, so we will not prepare any partners loan account. Now we will just read the question for today. That is page number 244. Page number 244, question number 1. Ganesh and Karthik are partners sharing profits and losses equally. They decided to dissolve the firm on 31st March 2018. Their balance sheet was as under. Balance sheet was as under. So assets are given to you, liabilities are given to you. So there is no need of marking anything. We directly start posting. So we have, you can see the question how the column is made. I have made realization account. You can see I have made little bigger one, realization account, partners capital account for 5 to 7 lines, and then I have prepared cash account for 5 to 7 lines. So our first step is we will transfer all the assets. First step, transfer all assets to realization account debit side. So we write here to sundry assets, underline it, and write all the name of assets, that is building 88,000, furniture you will write 12,000, debtors you have 32,000, you have stock you have 24,000, you have bills receivable, it is 4,000, and cash is given to you. You will open a cash account. You will open a cash account to balance brought down, cash account to balance brought down. It is the opening balance of cash account. So we write to balance brought down. So now we will total this all assets. So totaling these assets you will be getting, if you add up this, you will be getting 1,60,000. 1,60,000. Now on credit side, on the liability side, you have creditors and bills payable. Creditors and bills payable. Creditors and bills payable, you will transfer it on realization account credit side. So we write here by sundry. We write here by sundry liabilities, underline it. You have creditors 18,400. You have bills payable, which is 5,600. Add up this, you will be getting 24,000. Then you have reserve fund. Reserve fund you will be, how we did in the admission of partners, same way you will distribute it among the partners, reserve fund. So in partners capital account credit side, by leave one line for writing the opening balance by reserve fund. So distribute the reserve fund. The ratio is given in the first line of the question. Ganesh and Karthik are partners sharing profits and losses equally. So by reserve fund you distribute the amount 20,000 equally among the partners. 10,000, 10,000. It is 20,000. Distribute among the partners equally. 10,000, 10,000. Capital account, you write here credit side by balance brought down, capital account 40,000, 80,000. 40,000 and 80,000. Buy balance brought down 40,000, 80,000. Now we go for adjustment number 1. Assets were realized as under building, data, stock. Okay, building, data, stock. So they are realized. Realized का entry क्या आएगा? When you realize the assets, तो पैसा आएगा कैश अकाउंट डेबिट, पैसा आएगा कैश अकाउंट डेबिटेड टू realization account. Cash will come into the business. Cash will come into the business because we are selling the assets. It will bring cash into the business. So cash account debited to realization account. Amount you will write later, and in realization account credit side. In realization account credit side by cash account. Realization account credit side by cash account. Write the name of the assets. Building 82,000. Debtors 22,000. Stock 20,000. Add these three, 82,000 plus 22,000 plus 20,000. You add these three, you will be getting 1,24,000. 1,24,000. This amount you write here, 1,24,000. 1,24,000. So first effect cash account debit side to realization account. Second effect realization account credit side by cash account. Building, data, stock 82,000, 22,000, 20,000. You will add up and you will get 1,24,000. Bill receivable rupees 3,200. And Ganesh agreed to take over furniture for 10,000. So I think bill receivable is also realized. So we will write same way here to realization account 3,200, and here by cash account in bracket you write bill receivable realized 3,200. Ganesh agreed to take over furniture for rupees 10,000. Ganesh is taking the furniture, so Ganesh account is debited to realization account 10,000 in the Ganesh column. And then second effect you will write in realization account credit side by Ganesh capital account. The journal entry is Ganesh capital account debited to realization account. So Ganesh capital account is debited to realization account. So realization account के credit side में by Ganesh capital account 10,000. Bracket, in bracket you write furniture taken over. Furniture taken. You can write just taken also, no problem. Furniture taken. Realization expenses amounted to rupees 2,000, means we have incurred some kind of expenses. So realization expenses is amounted. So when you are incurring some realization expenses, so the journal entry will be realization account debited. Realization account debited to cash or bank account. Realization account debited to cash or bank account. When you are incurring some kind of expenses, so cash will goes out, and realization account will be debited. So realization account के डेबिट में लिखो टू कैश अकाउंट, realization account के डेबिट में लिखो टू कैश अकाउंट 2,000 rupees. In bracket you write realization expense. In bracket you write realization expense. Second effect, realization account credit side by cash account credit side by realization account 2,000 rupees. By realization account 2,000 rupees. Now I think we have finished all the adjustment. Now we have to close the account. But before closing the account, you have to see whether all liabilities are paid or not. Now if you see, there is no description about the liabilities. Liabilities के बारे में कुछ भी नहीं बताया है. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि liabilities are yet to be paid. तो भरना है because there are two liabilities. One is creditors and the second one is bills payable. So by default you have to pay the liability. So the journal entry will be realization account debited to cash or bank account. Because उन्होंने बोला नहीं है, लेकिन हमें ये समझना है कि if the business is winded up, so we have to make the outside liabilities clear. We have to clear the outside liabilities. So realization account debited, realization के debit में आएगा, realization account debited to cash account, realization account debited to cash. तो realization को debit में लिखो cash account, और right here creditors bills payable, creditors bills payable 18,400, 5,600, you add up it, you will be getting 24,000. Same you write over here also, real cash account credit side, by realization account, by realization account the amount is, by realization account the amount is 24,000. So now you have to close the account. So as you know how we close the account. So on closing the account, on totaling, what you found is that on debit side, if you total, you are getting 1,86,000, and on totaling the credit side, you are getting 1,61,200. So from this, it is very clear that debit side is heavier. So write the debit side amount, that is 1,86,000 on both the side. 1,86,000, 1,86,000. So from 1,86,000 you subtract 24,000, 1,24,000, 3,200, 10,000. You will be getting 24,800. Now distribute this 24,800 among the two partners in the ratio 1:1 because it is given equal. The ratio is given equal. So 24,000 to 800 को अगर half करोगे तो it comes to 12,400. 12,400. Now this will go to real partners capital account debit side. This will go to partners capital account debit side. 12,400. 12,400. Okay. So now you close the partners capital account same way. So I think it's very clear. Your credit side is heavier. 10 plus 40 is 50,000. 10 plus 8 is 90,000. So 50,000 and 90,000. On debit side you have 10 plus 2, 12,400, and this is 12,400. So you subtract this. So this will go to the next account, that is cash account. So 50,000 minus 12,400, 37,600. It is coming 27,000. 10 plus 12, it is 22,000. So 22,400 you subtract, you will be getting 27,600, and this will be 77,600. 77,600. This will go to cash account credit side. This will go to cash account credit side by Ganesh capital account, by Karthik capital account. So which will be 27,600, 77,600. So now you total the cash account. So if you total, you will be getting 1,31,200. 1,31,200.
Still looking at me.